Good morning, dear student. Exercise 11.2, question number 6. Let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm and angle B equal to 90. BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. So very first we will construct triangle. Triangle ABCD required. BC base we take 8 cm. BC 8 cm. Now we draw angle B 90. For that, take B as center, approximate radius, (60°), second 60, 120, here we are taking 90°. For AB it is 6 cm, so we are taking an arc of 6 cm. From B. So this is our missing point A. We join AC. So our BC, that is 8 cm, AB 6 cm. Our right angle triangle ABC is ready. Now we have to draw a perpendicular from B on line segment AC. Line segment BD is our perpendicular. So now from B point, approximate radius, we got 2 points. From these 2 points, again we have to draw an arc of approximate radius, 2 arcs, so we got a perpendicular. Give here point D. So line segment BD is perpendicular. Line segment BD, the line segment BD is perpendicular to line segment AC. Now we require to draw a circle from points B, C and D. It is said circumcircle. So for that we have to concentrate on right angle triangle BDC. As we have triangle ABC, that is right angle triangle. Triangle BDC is also a right angle triangle. From B, D and C vertices we have to draw a circle passing through these 3 vertices, that is said circumcircle. For that we have to get or make midpoint of hypotenuse line segment BC for triangle BDC. So to draw perpendicular bisector of line segment BC. So we are constructing perpendicular bisector of line segment BC more than half radius for line segment BC. B and C, they are your endpoints. So we are getting midpoint of line segment BC. This is your midpoint for triangle BDC. Take M as the center, MB radius, surely it will be passed through B, D and C. Again, M as the center, MB or MC radius. So we drew a circle passing through points B, D and C. Now we have to draw two tangents from outside at point A to this circle. So for that we have to take outside at point A and center of this circle and to join them. So very first we are joining A and M. After joining A and M, we have to find their midpoints A and M. That means line segment AM and its midpoint. So for finding midpoint, perpendicular bisector A and M, again center more than half radius. So this is your midpoint, and midpoint we are taking as center, and we are constructing another circle of radius. Here we are giving midpoint M dash. M dash A, that is our radius, or M dash M. This circle is intersecting the previous circle in 2 points. So they are point B and we give another name B dash. So we have to join A and B as well, A and B dash. So line segment AB, that is our first tangent. Line segment AB dash, it is our second tangent. So we got right angle triangle ABC, then after triangle BDC has a right angle triangle, then a circle passing through B, D and C point, and then from outside at point A we drew tangent to circle whose center is M. So this is our construction. Question number 6, exercise 11.2.